All right, if you were in Fort Worth, Texas, or Dallas, Texas, you better get ready because there's a pretty significant hook on radar. Possible tornado on the ground headed right for downtown Fort Worth. This is March 28, 2000, all over again. Except this time, no confirmed tornado, but there is a nasty hook on radar right now. If we look at velocity, it is there. This is headed right into Fort Worth, Texas right now. Correlation coefficient, it is starting to drop, so that means there is possibly debris in the air with that is a scorpion tail hook on radar. This thing is going to track down straight into Fort Worth and then eventually Dallas. I'm not sure of what highway this is. I believe this is I-600 something. I believe I-630. But that is a nasty hook right now in Fort Worth. As you can see, perfect signature right there with the, let's go back to velocity. That is a very good velocity. And this is very close to the radar too. Now, if we measure it right now, it's about 13 and a half miles northwest of the radar. So we are looking at it pretty close. But that is something I do not want to see. That is something nobody ever wants to see, especially in the largest metroplex, or the largest metroplex in the entire state. Then again, Houston's probably bigger. To the north, there was a tornado warning near Wynnewood about an hour ago, but now that's obviously gone. But this is the main concern right here. This is headed right for Fort Worth, Arlington, south sides of Irving, and then eventually downtown Dallas. You still have enough time. In fact, the hook right now is actually getting stronger as we speak. Hook is right there. There's most likely a tornado on the ground with this. So I'm gonna call confirmed tornado in Fort Worth, downtown Fort Worth, as the correlation coefficient's not there. But I'm gonna say that is a confirmed tornado in Fort Worth, Texas. This is still about, I'm gonna say, take this here. From downtown Dallas, the supercell, the storm is about 30 miles away, 30 miles to the west. So if you're in Fort Worth, you better get underground right now. In Richland Hills, North Richland Hills, southern part of that, Euless, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Irving, and then eventually Dallas, get into shelter now. This storm is moving pretty quick here. That's not what I wanted. Half inch hail, moving east 33 knots. Yeah, looks like Dallas before 5 o'clock. So you still have a little bit of time, but I would not want to mess with the storm. It's most likely going to be a photogenic storm with a tornado on the ground with it. But if you are in this area, get into shelter now. And I hope everybody stays safe in the path of this storm. It's going to track down this highway going right into Dallas, just so you know. So if this starts to become rain ramp, that's going to be deadly, especially since it's rush hour now. So with that, stay safe and goodbye.